Top of the tippy top to ya. This is Jade's Corner, and I've had this topic requested, so I'ma do it. Covering the topic on how to clean a Fleshlight and keep them in soft, rewarding condition.
Hey baby, how you doing? Want to F ourselves? Well, I know what you could do. Yeah. Oh, no. With this.
I'm going to keep this short and sweet. This ever happened to you? Fear no more, I'll show you my ancient secrets. So fast forward. After you finish the deed, do the walk of shame.
I can't unsee that.
This is a recreation. Names and places have been changed to protect the innocent. Hold it under the tap with the hot water pouring through the top, letting all the insides wash out. Ah, the shame. I use both my thumbs to clean the inside while water keeps flushing. Yeah, get in there. To and fro motion, like you're massaging the inside of a sock. Yeah, make sure not to use hand soap. I would recommend Fleshlight Toy Cleaner, but I personally only use hot water and finger scrubbing and never had a problem. Just when you think it's clean, just clean longer. Finger scrub some more, because if you don't get it clean enough, you have a chance to get a yeast infection. Yum. Or a UTI. That's a urinary tract infection. And they're not fun. So be very thorough. On the bigger Fleshlights, you can also turn it partially inside out and grip the sides by rolling it under your fingers, so you can get your thumbs deeper in the Fleshlight. 2 thumbs up. You can turn it around and hit it from the back. Make sure you gape the other side too to get those hard to reach areas. To dry, I dab the outside. Happy little dabs. Then squeeze the water out in the towel. Then smack it on the towel. Knock out all the excess water. That's a bad Fleshlight. Bad. Larger Fleshlights, you can also do the whip motion. Whip it good. Some people leave it on a towel or in front of a fan to dry it out. Flesh skins from Fleshlight have a drying stand, which come in handy. Pun intended. Make sure you use a clean towel and not one you used for a shower. You will get hair sticking to your Fleshlight. Nothing worse than a ninja hair inside your Fleshlight. And don't use a towel on the inside of a Fleshlight. You will get micro hairs and fibers inside, which take away from the internal smoothness level and your solo happiness. You can also use cornstarch powder on the outside to help it from balling up, I call it, where tiny little balls form on the Fleshlight, and also helps it from getting sticky and turning into one of those old sticky hand toys. Just make sure not to put any cornstarch inside. It will feel scratchy like sandpaper on your wood. Another video to help you throb into the sunset. If you enjoyed the video, juggle the like button, reach around to the subscribe button, and tell the dinger it's a dirty dinger. It's a bad, dirty dinger. Check out the link in the description. Sometimes they have sales going, and if you use my link, it helps the channel. And remember, just do stuff.